How to find best-selling designer figurines in Pop Mart. In this video, I will guide you on how to find best-selling designer figurines in Pop Mart. For that, launch open any web browser. Now search for Pop Mart. Head over to popmart.com and make sure to log into your account. Now you want to click on the new and featured option. From here, select all products. Now on the left hand side panel, you have the category option. Go ahead and check the box that says designer figurines. Now all of the designer figurines will be shown over here. If you want to look for the best selling designer figurines, click on the sort by option. Now select best selling. Now as you can see, all the best selling designer figurines are displayed over here. If you want to purchase any of that, simply click on it. Then click on the add to bag option. Now in this way, you can find the best-selling designer figurines in Pop Mart, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.